after several weeks of leaks and rumors, we finally have a solid announcement date for the Oneplus 6T. The company will be holding an event on October 30th in New York City where the fans can actually experience the speed. You'll just have to buy this $20 event ticket and there you go. Attendees will also receive a swag bag with a selection of exclusive gifts worth several times the value of admission, including Bullets wireless earbuds. Now let's take a look at the top 6 features this device is gonna come with. This isn't the first time we are talking about the in-display fingerprint tag for the Oneplus 6T. The company CEO Pete Law has already shared a lot of information about this unlock speed technology, and according to him, this will be the most accurate in-display tag till date. The screen will be lighting up the portion where you will have to place your finger to unlock the beast. The fingerprint will be authorized by the sensor placed just below the display, and that's why OLED displays are preferred with this innovation. In addition, this will result in a thicker profile on the Oneplus 6T when compared to its predecessor. OnePlus adopted the notch design with OnePlus 6, which before the launch created quite a stir when OnePlus's co-founder Carl P took to social media and asked the company to embrace the notch. But this time, I appreciate OnePlus to adopt a refined version of notch for the 6T. This will not only increase the overall display area, but will also refine and beautify the look of OnePlus 6T. This isn't a secret anymore that the Oneplus 6T will ditch a 3.5mm headphone jack, which according to the company is just because they wanted to create some more space in the phone to put the in-display tag and a bigger battery. But let's face it, OnePlus just wants to sell their all-new Bullets earphone. OnePlus has confirmed that 6T will feature improved battery. That could be done by some minor upgrades like software and processor efficiency, or a change in screen technology, or to keep it simple, just increase the battery size. Now the last way is the way OnePlus will be taking for the 6T, and the battery should be 3700 mAh compared to the 3300 mAh in the OnePlus 6. The increase in battery size will also increase the overall thickness of the 6T by 0.45mm compared to the OnePlus 6. The battery life will increase, and that will obviously help us to manage our daily tasks for a much longer time. The OnePlus 6T will be one of the few phones to have the Gorilla Glass 6 protection. The glass will survive up to 15 drops from 1 meter height and can be up to 2 times better than the former Gorilla Glass 5 on the OnePlus 6. Although the scratch resistance will be very much same to the OnePlus 6, but yeah, there is an upgrade. See, this is important. The OnePlus 6T will be around $20 more expensive than the predecessor model. The simple reason is the more expensive in-display fingerprint scanner and a bigger battery, but at the end of the day, we'll have to wait for some more days to get the exact official details. And yeah, I'm inching towards 2000 subscribers, so do press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.